You can't stand me, these bitches gon' choose.
Hey George.
So I can move, no you can't have me. I'm not that dude, so you can't stand me. I make my own moves.
I'm in this shit for the profit. I'm just trying to make moves that I had niggas astonished. I just gotta be honest, I want it all, I promise. I'm confident, I win to the devil, I'm the hottest. We young and black, we got the city on our back. For a fact, trying to shine, kick out the niggas off the map. I'm getting it out the soil, I ain't never had the move crack, but I'm still touching money and watching this shit stack. Real niggas moving silent, just stay on the right track. TNO, we got the talent, we're big in our city back.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Benny G Buckets.
And George, aka Steve.
And we are back to business as usual.
Today, guys, we're going to be doing a pretty fresh custom on a pair of all-white Tubulars.
So basically, these Tubulars are going to be color changing, but not like we've done in the past. So inside, the shoes are going to be white. But when we take them outside into sunlight, they're going to be what color?
Blue as a quip on Monday. That's enough talking from us. Let's go ahead and get into the video.
Yay! Alright guys, so as you can tell, the uppers have been cleaned and the midsoles have been taped off. The next step is going to be to customize the shoe.
So in order to customize the shoe, we are going to be doing something a little bit different. What we need to do is we need to create a paint mixture and also mix it with GAC so that way the mesh can stay soft. Let's go ahead and get into that, guys. The rest of this video will be time-lapse and then the shoes will be done. So we're not going to talk anymore. Let's just see how these come out.
These TNO niggas said they charging for features and shit.
I hear these niggas talking about they gonna be legends and shit next year.
Hell no. Man, shut the fuck up. My pockets ain't gonna be aching with all this money we making. Niggas shady, going crazy. We don't need you niggas hating. I've been patiently waiting. Our seat is for the taking. And we gon' rock the town. Got this motherfucker yanking. I'm a new nigga coming in the game like a sub. Can't nobody take me out. My people showing me love. Ain't in this shit for the fame. I'm in this shit for the profit. I'm just trying to make moves that I had niggas astonished. I just gotta be honest. I want it all, I promise. I'm confident. I win to the devil. I'm the hottest. We young and black. We got the city on our back. For a fact, trying to shine, kick out the niggas off the map. I'm getting it out the soil. I ain't never had the move crack, but I'm still touching money and watching this shit stack. Real niggas moving silent, just stay on the right track. TNO, we got the talent, we're big in our city back.
Got looked at like a peasant till approached by legends. Dedication and ambition, know I'm destined for blessings. You know I'm headed, if you asleep then you go regret it. Feathers for lettuce, they go hear us from Fresno to Paris. And when they holler who the hottest, TNO, we in the conversation. All in, we on they necks until we suffocate. 2019, we taking over the nation. Causing migration, money on monster truck like a Caucasian.
This that shit talk. Nigga, let me talk my shit. For my brothers at these clips, like legs, we stacking chips. Let a nigga get his grip, so it's over now. Me and my clique, you know we about to shut it down. Like a track when we run a town. Niggas quiet like a church mouse when we come around. If you pop up, then we pop up, nigga, we gon' run you down.
Nigga, it's TNO buzz down. You already know it is. Rockin' running your town, nigga. Fat chain with the plate and the diamonds. I got the juice, so bitch, do what I say like I'm Simon. Tino in your state, finna blow, perfect timing. Weaving in the field all day like a lineman. Grinding, I need a foreign car. Got it off the tar like a star, I'm shining. Look how the stars aligning. The sky is the limit, and we steady climbing. Keep up with the movement, cause you know it's not rewinding. Mr. Shit Talker, I'm coming like kamikaze. One false move, somebody gon' miss somebody.
You can't stand me, my buzz down so fancy.
Oh, I know you can't stand me. My buzz down so it's so fancy. Run the bands, I'm tryna run these bands up to TNO. I see why they can't stand us. Goonies go, got bitches going aimless. We rockin' shows, we can do this shit for days, bruh. We gon' shut it down, alright. Ooh, it's going down all night. Shorty P, she might get down on sight, but she say she can't stand me.
You can't stand me, these bitches gon' choose. So bitch, unhand me, so I can move. No, you can't have me, I'm not that dude. So you can't stand me, I make my own moves. I know you can't stand me. My buzz down so fancy. I know you can't stand me. My buzz down so fancy.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video.
If you guys like that video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up. And as always, guys, our contact information is down low in the description. But before you check that out, if you ever do want to hit us up, you can go ahead and go straight to our website at spr15.com, where we do a lot of dope stuff. For example, we sell our pretty fresh merchandise if you ever want to support the boys. And then always, guys, we always have Dope shoes for cheap, all sizes. If you want to cop yourself some heat for the low, check out SPR15.com.
And before we go, today's quote of motivation is, without hustle, talent will only take you so far. So from your boys here at Sneak Peek, Benny G Buckets.
And George, aka Sticks.
It's only one way.
They get it.
You got slow feet, I would wanna be, yeah. I'm expensive, I'm high like some reefer. Collect my deposits from divas. I'm bust down, you know the procedure.
Like the way those shoes came out. Do me a favor right now. Like that button. Like the button.
Push the button.
Love the button. Be about the button. No, but just say video.
Bro, that was those ones.
Some people like that. Maybe I'll put make sure to leave a thumbs up. And as always, our comment section is full of nothing. So, why do people say comment section?
I don't know. Alright, y'all, that's the end of this one.
If you guys like that video, please make sure to leave your thumbs up. Heads up, 7 up. Alright, bro, come on.
Take them outside to sunlight. What color are they gonna be?
Blue as the day.
Yep. Let's get it.
Blue as the day?
Oh no, nigga, that's what you said.
Blue as an old jazz singer.
Blue as your f***ing waffle.
Oh my god.
If I lost it all, would you still be in love with me? If you